What's up, everybody? Okay, so it's Christmas time of month again with Epic, and if you go to free for the month, you get all of these assets. Okay, Modular Gothic, Survivors Roguelike, Defender Animated Dialogue. We'll go through this grocery store and low polygon town. Do we still want to use low polygons within Unreal 5 these days? Okay, let's see. The first one is pretty damn cool, man. Look at this building a Gothic environment. Oh, now this actually, I have a project that I'm actually needing this for now. That's cool. That's cool. That's really nice. Let's have a look at the video. Yeah, man. Yeah, look at this. Some nice HD quality. Okay, it's really cool. I mean, damn, that's pretty. Nice details. Couple of effects, foliage, fine, fine. And obviously, you'll probably get this map with it too, to show it off how you can build stuff. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it a lot. This I can use, definitely. This is a nice one. Probably the best of this month for me, anyway. Right, then you got Survivor Roguelike Multiplayer Game Template. Interesting. Okay, it's like a beat 'em up multiplayer template. That is pretty darn cool. That is pretty good. Ari, look at it. You can do these kind of things. Like, it's beautiful. That's pretty cool. I mean, this, bam, put the template in, put the graphics in, all working, all done. Beautiful. Nice, easy way of making a quick game. Oh, it's got a customize, choose your character, launch game, everything's set up, man. What a nice template. That is pretty cool. I wouldn't mind having a look at that. I just don't know what I would build with it. Awesome. Lovely. And then you got Defender Animated Dialogue System. I'm not too sure what that is, man. What is it? Okay, okay. Okay. It's a dialogue system for characters, create branches and stuff. Okay, you can select the whatever's suits. Okay, dialogue system. I'll never use it, but it's awesome for those that do need it. That is pretty darn damn cool. Pretty darn damn cool. Grocery store. Now, there's no video for this one, but you get a ton of assets for a grocery store, and that is like pretty damn good assets. I don't know if you can see this. No, probably not. But that is pretty cool. These are some nice high end assets. Very high end assets. That's nice. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. And then low poly town. Man, this is. I mean, if this is your style, that's awesome. These are really nice. If this is kind of your, childish kind of stylized style, this is always nice. It's always bright and happy and whatever. So, I mean, they do have this. It's not really the kind of style I go for, but awesome to have, man. So, once again, these are completely free. Download them, people. You never know when you're going to use them. And they're awesome. I can't believe they still do this. This is insane. I think I must have $1 billion worth of free assets from these people. It's awesome. And if they remember, if they're not made by Epic, you can export them into any other program. It's totally fine, I think. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have a good one, and see you later. Bye, guys.